Hello everyone, welcome to Java Tutorials. My name is Kishore. In this video, we will discuss about classes and objects. Since Java is an object-oriented programming language, we are going to use classes and objects everywhere. First of all, what is a class? Class is a blueprint for an object which describes the object. Then what is an object? An object is a kind of real world entity which will have properties and behaviors. Say, for example, you use some application, let's say a banking application. There, whenever a new customer wants to open an account, what exactly these new customers will do is they are going to visit the bank branch and there will be a bank employee who is going to hand over the forms to each and every customer so that customers would fill the forms by entering their details. Once the customer fill their details and hand over the form to the employee, what is the next thing the employee will do is the employee in the bank is going to enter each and every customer details in the bank application. The customer's first name, last name, phone number, email ID, everything will be entered. What you need to understand here is this user interface which the employee is going to use in the application is going to be the same template for every customer details. But the information he fills for every customer is going to be different. You need to understand a class is something which describes the object, which is like a template that is going to say an object will have first name, last name, phone number, email. In this example, a customer will have first name, last name, phone number, email. And once the details are entered and click on register button, the application is going to initialize that particular user details that is actually like an object. So this object details will be stored in the database. So here, this template is going to act like a class that is going to describe the object. The object should have first name, last name, phone number, email. And what is an object? An object is something which you create from a class, which is going to initialize the object properties like first name, last name, phone number, email. And behaviors are nothing but what object is going to do with those properties. Like if it is a customer object, customer properties would be first name, last name, phone number, email. And the behaviors of the customer would be the customer will log in to the bank application. The customer is going to transfer the amount to different account. The customer can update his details. All these are behaviors of the customer. Similarly, an employee of a bank also will have certain properties and behaviors, like employee will have ID, name, salary, designation, and the behavior of the employee as an object when he uses the application is going to be like getting the customer details, storing the customer details. These are some of the behaviors of an employee. So what you have to understand is in an object-oriented language, you are going to use classes and objects to write any code. And before creating the object, you must have the classes that to be created. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.